How to dispute a charge with Bank of America. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can dispute a charge with Bank of America, whether it's a debit or a credit card transaction. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you see a suspicious or incorrect charge on your account, to dispute a charge, what you have to do is first of all you have to log in into the Bank of America account either on the mobile application or through the website that is bankofamerica.com. So once you're logged in into your account, look for the option from the home page that says transaction. So tap on the transaction. After that, look for another option that is dispute this transaction. So once you select your transaction towards the dispute this transaction option, which will be usually available near the transaction details, select it and choose the reason for your dispute. So once you select your reason, you'll be prompted to fill out the details. You will see a form filling or form where you have to provide a few answers where you'll be asked to describe the issue. So there you have to be specific, mention the correct date, provide the reason what went wrong, and you could also provide any communication that you had with the merchant. Once you're done, you have to submit the form. After submitting, you might get a provisional credit card. Bank of America investigates. Keep an eye on your email or notifications or the application for the updates, and your cases will be resolved within 30 to 60 days. You could also directly dispute a charge by calling to their Bank of America on your mobile number, or you could also visit the local branch. But just make sure that to act within 60 days of charge appearing on your statement. And that's it. That's how you can dispute a charge with Bank of America, and now you can save from losing money. That's all for today's video. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.